Hi, you guys. This is a get ready with me for my first anniversary of my business, GlamwithT.com. So I'm going to take my pencil. It's an eyeliner pencil, but I use it for my brows, and it's Wet and Wild in brown. Then I'm going to conceal it with some LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to make them thinner than what they actually are. And I'm just going to blend that all out. And then next I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette and use that orange shade as a transition shade, and then take the Morphe palette and use a pink and a purple and put it into the crease as well. And then take some more concealer and just kind of like cut the crease. Well, it's a half crease, it's not really a full cut crease. And then I'm going to take some more eyeshadow and put it all over my lid. It's from the Juvia's Place palette as well. And then I'm going to take my GlamwithT Glitz Fix to apply glitter with. And you just want to put that all over the lid where you put that sparkly eyeshadow at. And then I'm going to take my glitter and blushing knit, and I'm going to start in the inner corners of my eyes with a flat tapered brush. And I'm just going to put that all over, you guys. And you want to be gentle with this, so just kind of take your time with it. And then also, if you need to, reapply the glitter as well. And I'm going to go ahead and blend out my foundation. I am using Double Wear, and I also have some Lancome glow drops, and I think glowy bronze, something like that. And then I'm just going to blend that all out. So I'm going to just focus on blending and also covering up that concealer from my eyebrows as well. And you guys, you really want to take your time on blending out your foundation just to make sure it goes everywhere and it blends out really good. Next, I'm going to take some more LA Girl Pro Concealer and just go under the eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and also my chin, as you can see here. And then I'm just going to work on blending all of that out. So you definitely want to make sure you blend all of your concealer out and that you don't see any harsh lines. And then I'm going to take some Sacha Buttercup and just set my face. I don't really bake. I just kind of set my face, and then I just kind of wipe it away with the powder. I don't know what I'm singing here, but obviously I was having a good time with it. And I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match powder to just wipe away all that Sacha Buttercup powder. And then I am going to take my CoverGirl bronzer, and I use it as a contour powder. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks and also on my forehead as well. And then we're going to take some leftover eyeshadow and go under the eyes. And I'm taking NYX blush. And then I'm going to use my lip liner, the same thing that I use for my brows, the Wet and Wild pencil. It works wonders. And then I'm going to take some NYX lipstick, and so I had to work on that, you guys. I had to use some more NYX lingerie lipstick to kind of blend everything out. And then I'm going to take some ColourPop highlighter and some Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and this is the finished look, you guys. I really do hope that you like it, and I hope that you enjoyed my video. I want to start posting more videos. Maybe I'll get some ideas from you guys in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe. And I just want to show you guys the setup that I did for my 1-year anniversary. It's so cute. Here is some of the glitter actually that I sell on my website, www.GlamwithT.com. And this is the setup. So I celebrated my 1-year anniversary of opening up GlamwithT.com, and I have really enjoyed this 1 year. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful. Thank you.